Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let you in this club.
Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to do a beautiful winter set using this color from Beetles. It's my absolute favorite, milky white, and I'm super excited. Today I'm going to do a chrome snowflake nail, a sweater nail, and an icicle, and I'll show you how to do all three. Of course, I prepped and primed already. I applied the base coat, and now I'm going in with 3 coats of the base color. I'm being sure not to flood the cuticle, so you'll see in a minute how I kind of wiggle the product into my cuticle to avoid flooding. Now that the color is applied, we're going to apply a matte coat to the nails. We're going to start off with the icicle nail. This is one way you could do the icicle nail. If you have any rhinestone glue or like gel nail glue, just squeezing it underneath the nail and kind of creating texture with your brush. Another way you could do the icicle nail is if you have a plastic bag, wrinkle it up really well, place it on the nail and kind of scrunch it up. I cure it for 30 seconds and I kind of build on top of what was already there. And this is how it turned out. First step of the sweater nail, you're going to do 2 lines. It's going to be on either side of the middle, so you're splitting your nail in thirds. After you have your lines down, you can go back in to make them thick to your liking. I like to kind of switch up the position just so I can make sure it looks good on all sides. Once I am satisfied with the lines, I am going to go in with the detail work. I'm using the very tip of my brush so my lines aren't too thick, and creating those little lines. I don't know what they're called or what shape to even describe them as. Like, I really don't know. After you're done with those, you're going to do some lines on either side and pour acrylic on top. Once you pour the acrylic, you're going to cure for 30 seconds. This is how they're looking so far, and I absolutely love it. Now it's time to go in with the chrome snowflakes. Okay, so full transparency moment. I tried the snowflake design probably 4 or 5 times. No exaggeration. Originally, I was doing the whole trending, using your dotting tool, doing the lines that way, but I wasn't feeling the snowflake. I love the more simplistic look. So let me know in the comments if you prefer a simple snowflake or more complicated, complex snowflake. Once the snowflakes was to my liking, I did go back over them with another coat of gel polish, and now I'm going in with this beautiful gold chrome, which I am so happy that I decided to add it to the nail look because it just brought it to another level. For me, chrome was a nightmare to work with because it was turning out more glittery than mirror. A brilliant hack that I saw was applying the chrome and using a wedge kind of soft sponge to clean off the excess. It dusted off the chrome without taking off too much of the chrome on the design. So, brilliant hack, love it. When I was done with my pinky nail, I immediately panicked because I messed up the snowflake design, but I decided to improvise and turn the smudge into flurries, and it turned out so pretty. So I was gonna give up and I was gonna file it off, but I was like, no, we're too close to the end. So now it's time for top coat. If you made it this far, I appreciate you so much. I really hope you enjoyed the video because I enjoyed doing this nail design. Today, I taught you how I do the icicle nail effect, the chrome snowflakes, and the sweater nail art design. Feel free to mix and match when it comes to your next nail set. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.